Hello my acquaintances, today we're doing a review on the Glamlite Fry Lashes. What's my gimmick? How am I unique? I'm not. So I said I'll be eating actual Frenchy fries. While, you know, epic, right? So I want to hurry up before these fries get cold because I didn't realize what I was doing. They send a custom packaging. This isn't like Glamlite packaging, but it says Happy Holidays. Any packaging that's different than standard costs extra. So it's really cool that they did that. $, I think. Around there. I got them on Cyber Monday, so I think they were like $12. They might be more regularly. But they're pretty standard price for, and it's a bubble mailer, so it's protected in there. Oh, these are so cutie. So she has a little thing about herself. So it comes in a magnetized little box. It says, indulge in gorgeous, full and voluminous eyelashes. Every fry lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality of synthetic silk. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. And they're cruelty-free and vegan. And they come in a box. It's not like a actually like angled, it's a box, which is okay by me. It says, do you want fries with that inside? It's so cutie. And it has the little lashes right there in the fries box. This is so unsanitary. Don't do this. Already 10 out of 10. Don't even have to wait till the end for that. You already know. The price was good. It was pretty standard. Plus you get the gimmick. So it's epic. The lashes look pretty cool. Then I'll put them on and we'll see how we're doing. And keep the box. Use it for anything. You can use it to store the lashes. Use it to store anything you want. It has this thing on it. Alright, so these don't come with glue, so come prepared. They look like, you know, they look pretty actually. So I'm gonna set that down to dry. Or get tacky, I mean. And then I'm gonna do this one. So, anyway. This is so scary. Let me get my mirror. But I still want to get it in the frame, so. Oh my god. Well, I don't think this is tacky enough yet. Oh, I should have done like eyeliner or mascara. Because this is obviously a fake lash. I have an eyelash curler. I can curl these into my eyelashes, right? Ow! Why do people use tweezers? Ow! I look like a dog. I look like a fucking llama. I look like an alpaca. Isn't it pretty though? I did something wrong. Because this eyelash looks normal and this eyelash looks like Yzma from Emperor's New Groove. Okay, but remember that Sleepy Cabin podcast where they were talking about whether, I don't remember if it was Chris or Stamper, but they were talking about whether they would fuck a donkey if it had like really long eyelashes. I can only imagine this is what they were getting cold. This was a terrible idea. Oh, you can't see it, but it's fucking, yeah. Okay, I think yeah. This one looks pretty good, actually. So, here's my, okay. I guess I could try to curl them. Why are you making an eyelash review if you don't even use eyelashes? I feel like the thing is, my eyes are two different shapes and this really enhances it. Ow. Okay, so it's not lifting up on this side. But for some reason it looks so much worse on this side than this side. So let me finish off my review here. So for packaging, it's epic, right? They're nice. They look pretty. Five out of 5 for quality. I don't know very much about lashes, but I think these are good ones. Price, I think I'm also going to give that a 5 out of 5. I'm pretty sure she's an independent company. I heard it on Cyber Monday, which was a week ago. I think that's pretty good. It might just because of my astigmatism, but this like doesn't look right. It looks like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I feel like this is a little bit better, but it still feels like this eye looks fucking, my astigmatism is enhanced, which I don't like. It might just be that way with any fake lashes, but I don't remember my last lashes doing that quite so much. I actually really like them. I think they're really pretty, especially on this eye. If you just look at them like that. Maybe I can do like third thumbnail option. Overall, these fry lashes, because of the, what'd I say? The comfort, which I don't usually rate, so that's an outlier. They'd be like, I give everything a 4 out of 5, didn't I? Or 5. They're at least a 4.9, if not a 5 out of 5 overall. You know to. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.